Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss uh, chapter 11 mensuration, exercise 11.4, question number 3. Question number 3 have find the height of cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So you can see this is the shape of cuboid and its base area, if you put like this, its base area is 180, and if you put like this, so this is a base area of cuboid and this is a height. Okay, and if you find the volume of cuboid, so volume of cuboid is base area into height. Okay, if you say length of the body is L, breadth of the body is B, and height is H, then volume of a cuboid is LBH. Okay, you can say volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid, this is equal to L into B into H, or you can say base area into height. This is equal to base area, you can write here base area into height. Okay, so this is the volume of cuboid. In this formula you can find the volume of cuboid. You can see this is a volume and this is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. How many faces in cuboid? 6 faces. You can see 1 face, 2 face, 3, 4, 5, and this face is 6. Okay, if you count the each face of this cuboid is rectangular faces, because you can see this is length, this is breadth, this is height, this is breadth. Okay, and the number of edges in this cuboid is how many edges? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 edges in cuboid. And how many vertex? The number of vertex in cuboid is 1, 2, where 3 edges are joined. This corner is called vertex. Okay, so number of vertex in cuboid is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can see different types are cuboid like this. This is also a shape of cuboid. Okay, this is a plane surface area, rectangular area. Okay, number of faces 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Number of edges 12, 4 here, 4 here, 4, 4, 12 edges. Number of vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in the case of cuboid, the sides are different, length, breadth, and height are different, but in the case of cube, length, breadth, and height are same. Okay, so volume of cube is side into side into side in 3 times. So you can say the cube of sides, but in the case of cuboid, volume of cuboid is L, length into breadth into height, or you can say area of base into height. Clear? So in question number 3, we need to find height of cuboid whose base area is given. What is the base area? 180 centimeter square. Okay, and the volume is also given 900 centimeter cube. So we need to find height of cuboid. Okay, so let's see how to find height of cuboid. So here given, we represent volume by V or simply volume of cuboid is equal to given 900 centimeter square. Next, this is equal to base area. So this is base area. Base into height. This is base area. Base area into height. Base area into height. Okay. So in this way you can find the volume of cuboid. But in this question, volume of cuboid is given, base area is also given, and we need to find its height. So how can you find its height? So here you put the value of volume of cuboid 900 centimeter cube, 900 centimeter cube. Base area is given 180 centimeter square into height. This is the formula. Okay, so we can put here the base area is 180 centimeter square. Now if we transposing this base area here, then we obtain height. Height is equal to 900 centimeter cube by 180 centimeter square. Okay, see here, first you can see here centimeter cube means centimeter cube. This is equal to centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Clear? Now centimeter cube means 3 times. Centimeter cube means 3 times. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Clear? And divide by centimeter square. Centimeter square, this is equal to how many times? 2 times. Centimeter into centimeter. I hope all of you remember the formula of a to the power m into a to the power n. If base are same, then power will be 8. Okay, so we use this formula from exponent in the power. We obtain centimeter power 3, and here centimeter power 2. So 2 centimeter, 1 is cancelled, 1 is cancelled. So we obtain only centimeter. Clear? It means that centimeter cube by centimeter square, this is equal to only, we obtain only centimeter. This is clear? Now, so we use this formula to apply here, and let's see what is our height of cuboid. So here 1010 cancel, and 18 5 19. See after here 5, and here centimeter cube by centimeter square. Then we can see here we discuss what we get. We obtained here centimeters. Clear? So height of cuboid is 5 centimeter. So I hope all of you understood this question. How to find height of cuboid if the base area and volume of cuboid are given. So we use the formula height is equal to, also you can use this formula, height is equal to volume of cuboid by base area. Both are same, give result you. We obtain same result by both methods. Volume of cuboid is 900 centimeter cube by base area of the volume of cuboid is 180 centimeter square. Then we obtain 5 centimeter. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4. In question number 4, a cuboid is given which dimension is 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? how many small cubes with sides 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So first in this question, one is cuboid, other is cube. So what is cube? Reminder, cuboid have a different length, different height and breadth, but in cube, length, breadth and height are equals. Okay, so here we replace cuboid by cube. So how many cubes need to replace this cuboid? So for this, first we find the volume of cuboid, and after this we find volume of cube. If you find the number of cubes to replace number of cubes, then that replace this cuboid. So we divide volume of cuboid by volume of cubes. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So first we raise this. In question number 4, the dimension of cuboid is given and sides of cube is also given. So first we need to find number of cubes that replace this cuboid. Okay, so this is question number 4. Length of cuboid. Okay, dimension of cuboid is given in the questions 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, so we can write here length of cuboid. This is equal to 60 centimeter. Breadth of cuboid. This is equal to 54 centimeter. How many centimeter the breadth of cuboid? 54 centimeter. Clear? And after this, height of cuboid. This is equal to 30 centimeter. Clear? Now, after this we find the volume of cuboid. How can we find the volume of cuboid? First formula is that the volume of cuboid is equal to base area into height, but here base area is not given. Then we can use length into breadth into height. Okay, if you multiply, if you find product the length, breadth and the height, then you can find this is equal to the volume of cuboid. Okay, so here length, breadth and height is given 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So here we no need to find the volume of cuboid, but only if you divide this volume by volume of cubes, then we have number of cubes. Okay, so volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid. This is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. This is given 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter cubes. Okay, but here in this question side of cubes is also given 6 centimeter. Okay, so side of cube, this is given as 6 centimeter. So volume of cube, what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is equal to length into breadth into height, but in this cube, in the cube length, breadth are equal. So length is equal to 6, breadth is equal to 6 and height is equal to 6. So you can write volume of cube is cube of side. Okay, so we can write volume of cube. This is equal to cube of side. Okay, or you can write 6 power 3, or you can write 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. So I hope all of you understood from here. After this you need to find the number of cube. Okay, because cubes replace this cuboid. Okay, so how many cuboids replaced, how many cubes replaced this cuboid? So for this we divide uh, volume of cuboid by volume of cubes. Okay, so number of you find number of cubes, number of cube. This is equal to volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. Clear? So here you find the volume of cuboid is 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter cube. So you can write here, for find number of cubes to replace this given cuboid whose dimension is 60 centimeter, 54 centimeters, 30 centimeters. But here you find the volume of this cuboid. So what is the volume of the given cuboid is 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter cube. Okay, now after this volume of 1 cube. So volume of 1 cube you find here 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. So 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. First we cancel centimeter cube by centimeter cube. This is clear. After this you can see here this 6, this 30. So 6 5 is 30. If you divide 30 by this 6, so you can write here 5 times. 6 5 is 30. And here this 6 by 54. So you know very well, if 6 divided 54, then quotient will be 9. 9 6 is 54. Okay, so you have here 9, and this is 60 by 6. Okay, we have only 60 by 6. So, obviously you can say you have to here 10. So number of cubes is equal to 10 into 9 into 5. Okay, multiply it. 10 into 9, 90. 90 into 5, 450. Because 9 5 is 45 into 10, 450. 450. What is this? What is 450? 450 is the number of cubes that replace the given cuboids. Okay, so see. So clear? Again I repeat the given question number 4. In this question, cuboids of dimensions 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. This is given. And question asked to us how many small cubes with side 60 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid. So for this we find two number of cubes. For this first we find volume of cuboid. After this we find volume of small cube, and we need to find number of cubes. For this we divide volume of cuboid by volume of cubes, then we obtain number of cubes. Okay, so in this case you can see here this is a volume of cuboid 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter is cube. Okay, if you multiply this, then you obtain a large numbers. Okay, and here this is a volume of cubes. What is the volume of cubes? Cube of sides. So side is 6. This is given. So 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, why we not multiply? Because if you multiply it again, you obtain large number. Then if you divide here, so you can face some problems, and sometimes you are unable to divide the large numbers and you obtain some wrong answer. So for this we not multiply it, we only write 60 into 54 into 30 and 6 into 6 into 6. So if you divide, this is volume of cuboid, this is volume of cube. Okay, if you divide it very easily, you know very well how. If you divide 30 by 6 5 times, you obtain 5. If you divide 54 by 6, you obtain 9. And if you divide 60 by 6, you obtain 10. The multiply of 10 into 9 into 5 is 450. So in this way, you can see we obtain the number of cubes that replace the given cube is 450. Okay, now we are going to discuss next question, question number 5. In question number 5, this is given that find the height of cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cubes. Okay, here this is given, volume of cylinder is given 1.54 meter cubes diameter, and diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. So here you can see this is very complicated matters. The volume of cylinder is given in meter cubes, and the diameter of the base of cylinder is given centimeter cube. So first we change the volume of cylinder in centimeters. How can we change? You know very well 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? So you can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So, but 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. But here we have 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cube? So, look here how to we convert 1 meter is equal to how many meter cube is equal to how many 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter cubes. Okay, so you know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if you write 1 meter square, so how many centimeter? So you can write 1 meter means 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. Okay, so this is equal to, you can write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here also 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you can write here 100 centimeter for this 1 meter. Okay, and into again this 1 meter 100 centimeter. Clear? So if you multiply them, then we obtain 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Clear? Similarly, we find the 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cube. So for this we write here 1 meter cube. It means that 1 meter cube is 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meters. Okay. So this is equal to, you know very well 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you can write here 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeters. Okay, so you can say this is equal to how 1 meter cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So you can see here 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cube? Okay, so 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. So first we change the given volume in centimeter cube. After this we find the height of height of cylinders. Clear? In this cylinder volume is given and diameter is also given. Okay, so let's see how to find this question. In this question, question number 5, this is given cylinders, volume of cylinder and diameter of cylinder is given. Okay, and we need to find height of cylinders. Okay, so I hope all of you saw cylinder. This is the shape of cylinder. Okay, this is base area. Okay, and this is top area. Clear? So volume of cylinder. So what is student? Can you tell me what is the difference? What is volume and what is capacity? What is difference between them? And there is not much difference between these two words, volume and capacity. Volume is referred to amount of space occupied by an object. Okay, volume is refer to amount of space occupied by an object, but capacity is referred to quantity that container hold. Okay, capacity is referred to quantity that container holds. But in this case, a volume is given. This is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder whose height we need to find, but its diameter is given here. This is diameter of cylinder and this is the height. Okay, so first we write volume of cylinder is volume of cylinder. This is equal to pi r square h. How can we find the volume of cylinder? You can see this is a circular region. So what is the area of circle? Circular region, you know very well, area of circular region is pi r square. But this area of circular region is have h height. Okay, so this area of circular region is a circle is 2-dimensional figure, but this is a 3-dimensional figures. Okay, why? Because this, if you cut it very thin layers, then we obtain like a circles, a circle region you can see. So if you find the area of this region is pi r square, and if you multiply by h, if it's a height, then you obtain their volumes. But let's see here, this is a volume of cylinders pi r square. Yes, what is pi? Pi is the value of pi is 22 by 7. R is radius, base of radius of the cylinders. But here this is given. What is given? Diameter. What is diameter? Diameter of this cylinder is given 140 centimeter. 140 centimeter. This is diameter given, but you need to find its radius. So what is the relation between radius and diameter? Diameter is 2 times of its radius. Okay, diameter is 2 times of radius, or you can say radius is half of diameters. So in this way you can find the radius. Radius is equal to half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So this is the diameter 140 by 2 centimeter. This is equal to 70 centimeter. Now, but next condition is given. Volume of cylinder is given also here. So volume of cylinder is given. Volume of cylinder is given. What is the volume of cylinder? 1.54 meter cube. 1.54 meter cube. This is a volume of cylinders. You can see here that diameter of cylinder is given in centimeter, but volume of cylinder is given in meter cube. Okay, in meter. So first we change this. So we know how to convert this. If we multiply this amount by 10 lakh, then it's become what? Then it's become in centimeter cube. So let's how to convert it in centimeter cube. So 1.54 into 10 lakh. How many zero in 10 lakh? 6 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, centimeter cube. Clear? If you multiply then we obtain here 5, 4. How many zero left? 1. You can see here this decimal after 2 digits, so you can left 2 zero. So you have only 4 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter cube. Okay, 15 lakh 40,000. ठीक है. So in this way we find the volume of cylinder in centimeter cube 15 lakh 40 thousands. Now what is we find here? We find the height of cylinder. So for this we use formula or this formula to cylinder pi r square h. Okay, this is the volume of cylinders. But here the value of pi is 22 by 7. R is square of 70 into h. With transposing this value to right hand side, then we obtain h is equal to, this is height of cylinder, 15 lakh 40,000 into 7 by square of 70 means 70 into 70 into 27, 22. Clear? So if you cancel this is by 10 times. So 1 0 0 1 0 cancel. Again 1 0 1 0 cancels. Clear? Now if you divide 154 by 7, then you obtain what? 22 times. Clear? And here 22 and 22 also cancel. It means that we have only 2 0. It means that this is equal to 100 centimeter. The height of cylinder is 100 centimeter, or you can say this is equal to 1 meter, because you know very well the 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So student, I hope all of you understood this question, and enough for today. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.